Okay, so we went through the video on line. You are clicking on Grab It to start your program. And before you click on Grab It, I want you to right click on this image and go copy image so you can go into Grab It. You're going to click on the link for Grab It, and it's going to then prompt you to start a blank page. So let's go ahead and go close that window. Click on paper size, and I'm going to click on landscape. And now I'm just going to control V and paste my page there. So these are the lines that you guys get to choose from. So I brought it to the side, and see it's right there. It says image, and see this lock? Now I'm locking the image so it can't be moved. So that's a good thing. We're going to click on our pen tool, and we're going to do a freehand pen, and we're just going to try to recreate some of these simple lines. So I'm going to use the simple lines and create my vertical lines. You can move them, so you can use the arrow key to move them. You can use your selection tool and then select it, and then use your arrow key to move them where you want them to be moved. You can select them all, and you can then say, how you want them to be arranged by like the middle or the sides, or align it to the centers. So there we go. And you can also control over here with the point how big you want it to be. So you can drag it up and drag it down to make it bigger and smaller. So that's like about 9 point, and you can change the color if you want. So we're going to go through, and we're going to use the pen tool to make different lines. So this is going to be horizontal lines. We're going to make curly lines. We're going to make zigzag lines. And we're just going to be experimenting with the tool, the pen tool, so that it allows us to make all these different lines. And make sure that you're using the freehand tool that it's selected. When you use the selection tool, you can move your lines around. You can also make them smaller. And once again, you can control how big they are. So if you want to do your pen tool and make your thin line, and then you click on the other one, and you can then make that your thick line. So you're doing, the different kinds of lines, thin and thick. You can do the cross, so you can make a cross hatch. Once you're done with your lines, you're going to go File, Save. So it saves it. So this is period 5. So we're going to go lines, period, no dot, period 5, and click on Save. So you just saved it to your Grab It account in the cloud, so it's there for you. Now we need to download it. File, download file, and you're going to download the Grab It file to your desktop. You're going to download, you're going to export your file as a JPEG as well, and then it allows you to have your lines your JPEG and your lines your Grab It file. So you just downloaded both of those. You need to complete half of these lines. So there's 20 lines here. You're going to redo 10 lines. So you're going to do 10 different patterns of lines in Grab It. So that's our quick little demo on Grab It for today of just making basic lines with your freehand tool and your selection tool to move them around, and within your inspector tool over here that allows you to make your lines thicker or thinner and even change the color. So that's it for today. I hope you guys liked the assignment, and I'll talk to you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.